Do you want to know what the best wallets are for NFTs and cryptos as a beginner? Then watch this video as we're going to show you our best picks. The first wallet on our list is Coinomi. Coinomi is a multi-chain blockchain wallet. Okay, it's been around since 2014 and it's trusted by millions of people. As you can see right here on the website, it's a bold claim. If we go down here, you can see some other interesting features. One of them is superb security. They actually claim that none of their wallet has been hacked. Okay, since 2014 no Coinomi wallet has been hacked. That's pretty interesting to know. So if you're looking for security, you might want to go for this wallet. You can see some of that thing here. It's multi-chain, as I said earlier on, and zero fees. This means if you transfer your assets from this wallet to another wallet, you are not going to be charged fees as against what is usually the case from some other wallets. Okay, there's multi-seed support, and you might find this one very interesting. There is code staking for this wallet. Okay, so if you're interested, they've got the mobile version. You can just click this button here to have it downloaded. If you also want to use it on your PC, of course they've got a desktop version. Okay, you can just come over here and also click this button and have it downloaded. Okay, so let's move on to the next wallet. The next wallet is the Engine wallet. Okay, so to get this wallet, you might want to go to engine.io, and that's going to bring you to their website. Here you can see this wallet is a simple way to manage your NFTs and cryptos. You can get this wallet from the Google Play Store and from this right here. Okay, so apart from using the ng.io wallet, there are other things this website offers you, and one of them is the ability to use this wallet to create your NFTs. And how they do this is that they provide you the end-to-end solutions needed for you to be able to do this. And by end-to-end solutions, I mean things like using a simple interface to create your NFTs in minutes, and also adding utilities to your NFTs, and you can also share your NFTs, okay, via QR codes. And there are other things like integrating your NFTs easily using your existing apps and websites and games. Okay, so these are some of the things you can do. And lastly, you can actually trade your NFTs via the Engine marketplace, guys. So this is an awesome website you might want to check out. Okay, so go to the link here, engine.io, or you check the link in the description to read more about how this website is going to help you with your NFT and cryptos journey, right? So now let's jump right into the next wallet. Now the third on the list is Metamask wallet. This video wouldn't be complete if we don't talk about the Metamask wallet. The Metamask wallet is pretty much a household name. Okay, if you're new into crypto, this is one of the wallets you are pretty much going to be introduced to or start hearing about. Okay, so what is this wallet about? You can use it to store your cryptos and NFTs. Okay, so how this works is that they have the mobile versions of this wallet, which you can download as apps on your mobile device. They've also got the ones you can download on your computer, okay, on your PC. And they've also got browser extensions you can also install on your mobile browsers and also on your desktop browsers. Okay, so if you want to start doing this, I've got some videos in the description that are going to show you how to do some of these things. And one of these is how you can actually create a Metamask wallet and how you can actually add it as a browser extension to your mobile device. This is one of the best wallets out there you might want to use to start your journey on crypto, but make sure you are avoiding phishing attacks. Okay, if you're downloading this wallet, make sure you're downloading from this website here, metamask.io, because there are fake ones out there. Like I said earlier on, avoid phishing attacks, avoid divulging your security details like your seed phrase, your password, your key string details, and all of that. Okay, finally, if you're looking for security, Trust Wallet is one of the wallets you might want to go for. And as you can see here, it says the most trusted and secure crypto wallet. Okay, you can get this wallet from the App Store, the Google Play Store, and this is pretty much one of the wallets I would recommend very strongly here. Okay, I use this wallet to store some of my crypto assets. Okay, so and most people do also. You can see right here, you can use it for your art and NFTs. Okay, you can use it it for your cryptos. As you can see here, all you need to do is to hit the download button and have this completely downloaded. Okay, so it is trusted by millions of users, and there are a lot of downloads of this wallet already, guys. So this is it for this video. This Big Bees and is your guy Ken signing out.